Everybody wants a tour of the truck, so here we go. Onto the side door. Open this up. We have steps that lead in. So we're inside. First off to the left, have an induction stove. My ice maker. Sink. Little medicine cabinet deal. Lots of storage all the way around. My infinity lights with my mirror up on the ceiling. And we have a hang-in closet. Clothes, it's junky. And we have right under it pull-out drawers. To the other side, and we have a microwave convection oven, fridge and freezer, which I keep stocked. I'll never go hungry, I promise you. Yeah. To the front, this leads into the shower and toilet area. Soap dispenser. Even has a mirror. It's a toilet paper roll. I have a 43-inch Samsung Smart TV. Soundbar here. Built-in subwoofer under here. Have a 43-inch TV. A built-in soundbar. Subwoofers in the cabinet underneath here. On this side of the hanging closet is one of the water tanks. I have an 40-gallon water tank here. And there's another one under here that's insulated. And of course, all my pull-out drawers for everything else that I need. Utensils, bread, different stuff, candles, vacuum sealer, and everything else, sauces and that. This floor can be folded down to make more space, and so can the countertop whenever I'm cooking. My second time having to do this, but not everybody's seen it. Everybody asks where my bed is. Take my pillows, move them out the way, I'll just toss them down there. There's a latch back here. This whole thing just goes down. It's messy, yes, but that's what her bed is.